Hi all. We are the Night's Watch, the second of its kind, the sworn brotherhood to protect the realm of SONiC. Here we are going to present the heartbeat monitor solution in SONiC. Ideally, any process should be able to handle all the events that it receives via different interfaces without starving any other events in its receive queue. Process can, while handling any of these events like the Redis DB events or socket data read or any other netlink events, due to some bug, it can go into deadlock or tight loop, or maybe it's spending significant time, thereby starving other events. So currently there is no efficient mechanism as such to detect such process transient state or permanent state in such hung state and thereby report it or possibly recover it from the hung state. Heartbeat monitor utility helps in achieving that. It monitors the active process, all the processes in the system, which are willing to be heartbeat clients by sending periodic echo request packets and thereby expecting for the timely reception of the ACK packets. And if some process doesn't reply back with ACK packets for a significant time, say dead interval, then heartbeat monitor reports that and takes any debug or corrective action. Going into the solution details, the heartbeat daemon is started during the container initialization, and the clients can register as heartbeat clients to the heartbeat monitor by giving the preferred values of the pole intervals in an SLA message, the pole interval at which they want to be periodically polled, and also the dead interval is as such the interval for which if they don't reply back with an ACK, HP monitor can take the corrective action or report it. By handling any such events from different interfaces, if the task goes in a tight loop, it can miss the consecutive heartbeat acts, miss sending the consecutive heartbeat acts, and the heartbeat monitor either logs it or reports the backtrace. All this information heartbeat dumps into the state DB for all the clients in the system. Going to the implementation details, the communication between the heartbeat monitor and the heartbeat clients is implemented via Unix domain diagram sockets. And the heartbeat client class is part of the SWSS common library and it is derived from selectable class. It overrides the read data function to read these heartbeat messages from the heartbeat monitor and reply back immediately with an ACK. And the client code just needs to declare the heartbeat client object and need to add it into the add selectable list. And that are processed in the receiving thread. You can quickly check, have a quick demo. Here we chose 4 processes as the heartbeat clients: port manager, VXLAN manager, interface manager, and the VLAN manager. Here you can see that all of them are alive, and we can also see their SLA values for the preferred. Each one has a different pole interval and different dead interval. The max interval for which if they're too busy processing these heartbeat requests, then the heartbeat monitor can report it. You can also see the statistics of the echo request received and the replies sent to the server. To simulate this hang situation, we chose the VLAN manager D, where while processing the VLAN creation event, it goes into a tight loop kind of situation. You can see that it's missing sending the ACK packets back to the server. And once it misses beyond the dead interval, it goes into the frozen state. We can check the detailed info of that process by dumping heartbeat info. Here you can see the backtrace also being dumped for all the threads in that process. So this can help in pinpointing to such tight loop or deadlock kind of areas in the code. Yeah, this is all. Thank you.